iPhone 11. Best waterproof phone 2022. Well-rounded iPhone. In 2018, Apple introduced the iPhone XR as the affordable offering in its new iPhone lineup. We liked the XR a lot, and we even said that it might be the best iPhone Apple has ever made. The follow-up to the iPhone XR is the new iPhone 11, and the fact that Apple decided to bless this model with the iPhone 11 title and not call it something like the iPhone 11R says a lot about where the company positions the phone. But can this phone carry the burden of being known as the iPhone 11? As a matter of fact, it can. The satisfying speed boost, dual camera setup, and long battery life combine to make the iPhone 11 even better than the XR. And given its relatively low price tag, it's probably the best iPhone for most people right now. Camera improvements. The marquee feature of the iPhone 11 is its 12-megapixel dual camera setup. It seems as though Apple decided that with 2019's phones, they would make the camera bump deliberately eye-catching. The iPhone XR's single camera is barely noticeable, and the iPhone XS's dual camera bump design doesn't make you think twice about what it looks like. But the iPhone 11's dual camera demands your attention, screaming, "Smile! You're on camera!" Fast phone gets even faster. At the heart of the iPhone 11 is the A13 Bionic processor, the successor to the A12 Bionic that's in the iPhone XR. The A12 Bionic is an impressive chip, so what does the A13 Bionic do to follow it up? With CPU performance, the gains are modest. In Geekbench 5 benchmarks, the iPhone 11 saw a 14% increase over the iPhone XR in single-core CPU performance, while multi-core CPU performance jumped 18%. A little longer battery life. Apple says that the iPhone 11's 3046 mAh battery lasts up to 1 hour longer than the iPhone XR's 2942 mAh battery, and you can get up to 17 hours of video playback, 10 hours of streamed video, and 65 hours of audio playback. Notably, Apple no longer provides an estimate for what it called talk time, wireless. For the iPhone XR it was 25 hours, and we can calculate that you could get up to 26 hours on the iPhone 11. According to an Apple representative, the longer battery life was achieved through a combination of a bigger battery and software and hardware optimizations. The design, don't mess with what works. Apple didn't change much when it comes to industrial design. The iPhone 11 is very much like the iPhone XR, with anodized aluminum sides, the display notch, and a glass back available in black, green, purple, white, yellow and, product, red. That said, color execution this year is different. Apple decided to go with pastel-like shades that are more subtle than the bright colors of the XR. Liquid Retina HD display. Another major feature that remains unchanged is the display. Apple is again using a 6.1 inches LCD, while the iPhone 11 Pro has an OLED. The iPhone 11 screen, Apple calls it a Liquid Retina HD display, is a Retina display with 326 ppi resolution, a 1400:1 contrast ratio, and 625 nits of brightness. The iPhone 11 Pro's Super Retina XDR display is rated at 458 ppi, has a 2 million to 1 contrast ratio, and offers 800 nits of brightness.